So this video, I'm just showing you guys how I pack up my wholesale orders. And I'm starting off by saging the area, you know, getting them good vibrations, good energy, and yes, hand sanitizer. So the Boss package comes with labeled boxes, and I was trying to be discreet, y'all, not show off the label. But the Boss package does come with labeled boxes with your logo. And then I just get my double-sided wall mounting tape. And this is a huge roll that I got from Office Max, but I'll leave a link to one in the description box. So this is just another way that you can pack up your nails if you guys are using these size boxes. And also if you're packing up a 20-piece set. So I see a lot of people asking, well, how do I pack up 20-piece sets? Well, this is how I do it. I put 10 nails on the top and 10 nails on the bottom. And then I alternate, like when I'm putting the nails in, from one end of the box to the other end. And I'll show you guys that. Yeah, so I put the nail tips alternating from the sides just because I want them all to be evenly spaced. And I don't know, you know, I think it helps with your spacing. Maybe not, but it's been working for me, so I don't know, just try it and see if you like it. And yeah, so like I said, this is a 20-piece set, and I'm just putting 10 nails on the top, 10 nails on the bottom, and evenly spacing them. And I'm just going to repeat this 30 times because this order came with 30 sets of nails. So that's what we doing. So because I don't wear gloves, I don't want to get fingerprints on the nails, so I always wipe them down with an alcohol wipe before I finish up packing them. And I do keep that little fluffy thing just to extra secure the nails so they don't slide around. And yeah, like I said, we're just repeating this 29 more times. Later. So I finally finished up packing up all the nails, and I just have them in their box ready to get shipped out. And with the Boss package, all the nail sets come with an application kit, and the application kit comes with a file, an orange wood stick, a buffer, and glue. And then you also get a little thank you note. And yep, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.